Hey, Bill here. Today we are about to have some fun. Hey everybody, back again with another taste test with the MREs. We're going to have some fun today trying these out. There are 6 different ones, and we got a guest again today. Zach, he's going to help me taste test these, and we're going to see what his face looks like too when he tastes some of these. I don't know if they're going to be good or not, but we'll go through them. This one here is a fully cooked field wrap seasoned pork barbecue sauce. This one here is a honey barbecue chicken. I don't know if that's a wrap or not. It feels like a sandwich in there. But this one here is a wrap, I do believe. And this one here is an Italian sausage with sauce. Then we go to our sweets. It's a blueberry turnover. Hopefully it ain't dry, because the apple one last week, that was pretty dry. I didn't like it at all. Granddaughter said it tastes like raviolis, what I didn't like. This one here is a vanilla pound cake. And we got French toast. I like French toast. I don't eat it cold, but I like that. Then we got some regular, like a trail mix of nuts and raisins. Hopefully that's going to be pretty good. So give me a minute. I'm going to start packaging these up, or separating them where we want to put them, and we'll get started with it. Hold on just a second. All right, we got these situated. We got the desserts on this side, and we got the sandwiches on this side. Which one do you want to start with first? Sweets or the sandwiches?
Sandwiches.
Sandwiches first? Okay. This in here, this one we're going to start with first is the fully cooked wrap. It's the seasoned pork with barbecue. Let's open these up, see what this is like. Like again, these papers on these are really stout. The shelf life on these are 3 years, but you can get like 5 out of them because it's pretty much airtight. And they're like burritos. It smells good.
It does.
Break into this to show you what this is like. Like a lot of meat inside of it. You like taste of it?
Not bad.
Well, you can taste the barbecue stuff in it, the honey barbecue sauce.
It's strong.
Yeah, I like that. That's pretty good. It's dry, but it's pretty good. Had the right meat texture in it. Strong honey barbecue taste. Would you eat that every day?
Probably for lunch.
For lunch every day?
Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah, that ain't too awful bad. I like that one. Next one here is the Italian sausage. I don't know what this one's going to taste like, but it's in some kind of sauce. It don't say what kind of sauce. It just says with sauce. So let's try this one. That was a little rough to get open. And this one's, like I said, it's like a bread mixture in it. Sandwich. We'll open this up and we'll see what this one's like inside. There's a lot of meat and stuff in there too. Let's see this. Don't smell too bad. Smells kind of like a beef stew kind of.
Mm-hmm.
We're on it dry, but
It's real dry.
not a horrible taste to it. Cameron, want to try it? No, I don't want to try these. That one there, ain't too awful bad. Now this one here is like one I've been waiting for. This one's the honey barbecue chicken. But that one's gonna be pretty good. Hopefully it ain't as dry as the other one. If it's the same kind of stuff with that bread. Let me put that packet in there. Put that right there for now. We'll open this up. Has quite a bit of chicken in there. Yep, kind of smells like the same as the last one, doesn't it?
It does. Mm-hmm.
Down there it's all been dry too, isn't it? But
Yeah,
still don't
the
have.
other one is drier.
It don't have a bad taste, but in a survival situation, I would eat these all the time. Which one do you like better out of all of the last three we just did?
The first one,
The wrap, the first one?
the first one, and then the last one. Those are the two best.
Yeah, that's what I picked too. For some reason, I like them wraps a lot better. They hold their flavor and there's not a dry like them other ones. And this is, like I said, this was like the trail mix of peanuts and raisins. Want to open it?
Yeah, just like them.
I don't know if you can see that pretty good. See that real good? The big nuts in there, walnuts and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Not too bad.
Not bad at all.
They got, looks like they got bird seed in it too. Sunflower seeds.
Mm-hmm.
They got walnuts in there, peanuts, raisins.
Mm-hmm. Sunflower seeds.
It's a mix of everything. That'll bring the protein up real quick.
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah, I like that one too. The wrap's better than the rest of them, and that honey barbecue chicken. To me, I think that was like second place. But yeah, they're dated for until 2023, and they're not really vacuum sealed like I thought they was going to be when we first got them. They left like a puff of air in there. It has to be some kind of chemical to keep these things fresh for so long. Plus that little packet of whatever they put in it. But yeah, I mean, they'll last a long time. I'd keep it longer than that because I wouldn't go to the store. Shit hit the fan. You know what I mean? But let's open these up first. We'll start off with vanilla pound cake. See what this one is like. And granddaughter's in the background. She's having fun playing with her toes or something. I don't know what she's doing. But this one here.
You can smell the vanilla.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's kind of soft when you break it apart.
Yeah, it's just, I figured there'd be like feeling or something in it.
It's soft, but it's dry and I don't like that one too much.
Good flavor though.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm not too big on that one. But we'll have to clean the table up here in a minute. Give something to drink after that. Alrighty. Which one do you want to try next? You want the blueberries? You like blueberries?
Not really. Let's try the
French toast? You like French toast here? Or you open it up? See what the French toast is going to be like.
Smells like French toast.
Oh yeah, it does. It's got a real strong French toast smell.
Oh.
I like that. Oh, that's cool. It has the stuff in the middle. Probably cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it has cinnamon in there, and it has some kind of stuff in between.
Like layers.
Yeah, it's like a glaze in between. See what this tastes like. It smells just like French toast. A little harder than the other one, isn't it?
Not bad though.
Yeah, you can survive all of it.
Mm-hmm.
Is it something I would try every day? In a survival situation, yes. But just to do it, nah. We'll give it back to the grandkids and let them eat that one up. Here, you want to open the blueberry?
You can see
The
it.
blueberry sauce oozing out of that one. Show the camera that. I can smell the blueberries from here.
Strong.
Oh yeah, I like blueberries too. That's one of my favorites. Blueberry muffins and stuff. Look at that. They got a lot of filling in that one. But that one's gonna be good. Yeah, I like to have the filling got a good taste to it. You don't like it?
I don't like blueberries.
You don't like blueberry. Can you eat the whole thing?
I probably could. It's not bad though.
No. It's not dry. Just like you think a blueberry something would taste like.
Right.
But I guess that's it. Call that a video there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Another one and done. Like always, this is Bill, Crazy Hillbilly Channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We're out of here.